If Gemini AI has landed on your Google Messages app as well, and you want to get rid of it, watch this video to learn more. In the Google Messages app, tap on the profile picture icon at the top and select Messages Settings. Tap on Gemini and Messages. Just turn off the toggle for the Show Gemini button. Disabling Gemini will make the floating Gemini button and the Gemini chat thread instantly disappear from the Messages app. You can also archive or delete the Gemini chat thread to hide it from your messages. Long press on the Gemini chat thread and select the trash or archive icon. Doing so will delete the entire conversation that you have had with Gemini. However, it will not remove the floating Gemini icon above the Start Chat button. Like and share the video if this helped you. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.